Hey guys, John from Sluice here, coming to you with a new product today. Today we've got our 50-inch folding sluice. Let's go ahead and open this baby up, see what we got here. That's a traditional sluice. This is a miner's moss and riffle style. We've got a nice shoulder strap for carrying it once you got it all folded up there. And our flare, which comes inside of it here, it's going to be ready to attach. So basically all we're going to have to do is open this baby up. You're going to tighten your screws down that hold the sections from folding. Get that tightened up. Basically you would take this, go ahead and attach your flare with your wing nuts up top, and there you go, you are ready to go. I'm going to show you when you get done at the end of the day, you loosen up your couple of wing nuts you've got, and this box will fold right back up. First we're going to put our flare back inside, hold it right back up. There you go, ready to go in your backpack or sling over your shoulder for your walk home. Don't have to carry that big giant sluice box with you. Makes it much more portable, very easy to carry a full-size box with you when you go out. All right guys, so we got our sluice box fully open. We got everything tightened down, assembled. I'm gonna show you how to put this in here. Again, we're looking for that magic 1 inch per foot drop. Again, that is a rough estimate. You're gonna possibly use more drop, more water, depending on the situation where you're at. But right here, we're gonna probably be looking at, I think we're gonna be setting pretty good right here. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get this rock on my box so it doesn't move on me. Again guys, you always want to make sure you got your stuff really secured good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move this up a little bit more. So this is just rough guys, you guys can see I probably got a little too much water going down. Let me see if I can adjust that and get you better, just so you can see what the flow should properly look like. So this would be a lot better right here. If you guys can see, you got your nice V running up front doing that. You can see you got the water going over that really active and chewed up back through here. You want to see that water really agitated. That's going to really agitate all the material. So guys, we got the material going down. I'm seeing good active clean out on the back. I'm starting to see the blue matting or the gray matting showing back through. That's what we want to see. We want that stuff to clean out well. So it looks like we're doing good. This stuff's all been, I'm running classified material. It's been classified to a 1/2 inch. You can run, you should be easy able to run a 1/2 inch material through this box. Standard classification for large sluice box, not a problem. As you can see, you can feed this thing pretty good. All right guys, well our indicator mat's showing us some gold. So it's gonna be a good day for us. We're gonna go ahead and run the rest of this material out. We'll clean it up later, put all of our gold away.